Hello, I'm Chris Aniche, a specialist accredited children and family law solicitor. I assist parents when local authority become involved with their children, and I provide an effective representation in family law cases. Today's topic is parents and children at Child Protection Conference. A child protection conference is a meeting held to discuss child protection concerns relating to children. As a parent, you should be consulted throughout the process pre, during, and after the meeting. Typically, parents will be encouraged to attend child protection conference, a child protection meeting. Parents may be invited to come separately if there has been domestic abuse in the family. Parents are permitted to bring friends, bring a friend or friends, bring a friend or support to a child protection conference. But the people or the friend they bring are not permitted to speak on their behalf during child protection conference. However, if you're a disabled parent, the local authority is required to ensure that you can fully participate by providing support, such as an advocate if you don't have. The various professionals at the meeting must also consider issues like race, religion, language, and any other obstacles. The social services must take steps to ensure that the parents can participate, whether through access to an interpreter or other means, maybe advocates. In some situations, the chair might state that a parent is unable to attend. For instance, where maybe if that parent is suspected of seriously injuring or assaulting the child and there is a criminal charge that are being considered. Also, if there are histories of domestic violence or abuse, or that parents could be violent parents that could constitute a risk to other people or in the meeting, or there are certain situations where it might be issues of mental health, or the parents might be under the influence of alcohol or drugs when they arrive for the meeting. And if a parents have been told not to attend such a meeting and they believe it is unjustified, you can communicate, you can contact your legal representation, your solicitor, who will hopefully address this with the social services in writing. You could even request that your opinion being heard at the meeting or at the conference if you're unable to attend. So in a situation you can't attend, you can write to the conference indicating your opinion. You may even file in a formal complaint or seek judicial review of the decision to exclude you in a situation where you are excluded. However, it is critical to always get your solicitor on this matter, and children in situations are occasionally invited to attend a meeting, although this would depend on their level of comprehension, their age, emotion, and the effect such a meeting may have on the child. Social worker will only authorize this or agree to this if they believe it will be in the interest of the child, or if the child has expressed a desire to attend the meeting. They will be giving such assistance before and during the meeting so that they know what to expect. They may be accompanied also when they attend such a meeting by an advocate or support. Even if they are unable to attend, for example, their opinion should also be addressed when these children are old enough throughout the meeting. It's important that happens. So, I hope you've enjoyed this video on Parents and Children at Child Protection Conference. So, please, I'd like you to share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.